In December, my mom and I traveled to Santa Marta for my birthday. I was 12 years old. That was the first time that I knew the sea. It was the best trip of my life. My mom and I really enjoyed that trip. I used to walk on the sand, and my mom used to read a book. I remember that we ate a lot of fish and a lot of sweets. Um, it was the best trip of my life because I danced, I cooked, swam, and met new things and new people with my mom. When I was 15 years old, I met my best friend at school. My favorite moment at school was my graduation with her. We share many moments together. Um, we we used to walk around the school when we were not in class. We always ate a lot of fast food. Sometimes we slept in class. But the graduation was a beautiful and important moment for me. Our teacher decorated a big party for youth. We danced, drank, and really enjoyed the party. My most challenging situation it was in December. I was 18 years old. My boyfriend and I wanted to spend a new year together, but my mom won't let me. I cried a lot, and my mom and I fought a lot that night. I didn't enjoy it that night. My boyfriend and I spoke very little on the cell phone that day. I used to dance, cook, eat, drink, and jump that night, but I was very sad. Um, I fell asleep very fast and didn't talk to my mom.